The anxious wait for lakhs of students around the country is over. The Central Board of Secondary Education has declared the results of the Class 12 board examinations. Nikita Arora has one of those toppers with her in Mumbai. As usual, they're getting these incredible marks, Nikita.
They are getting incredible marks, Amitabh, but we just spoke to someone a while ago and he scored more than 95%, but he was saying, I'm going to send my English paper again for re-evaluation because I was expecting more. In fact, Shri Gurupriya here as well, she's got more than 96%, but she also said that she was expecting more than that. 96% already, but you were expecting more. How much were you expecting?
I was expecting at least 4 marks more. I was mildly disappointed with my English score. I'm pretty much satisfied with the rest. And so, yeah, but my English score was just 93. I was expecting a few marks more.
You were expecting a few marks more. You know, nowadays there's a lot of stress and a lot of expectations because everybody is doing so well in these exams. How did you deal with that? Did you also go through a lot of stress?
Personally, the boards weren't my focus at all because I was giving the CLAT, the Common Law Admission Test. My focus was preparing for the law entrance exams. So I didn't really take any stress for the boards at all. And even generally, I'm pretty much relaxed when it comes to
That's a good thing. Did you do well in your entrance exams? How did you do?
Yes, I got All India rank 13 in the Common Law Admission Test, and I got All India rank 35 in the ALET. And so, yes, I'm joining NLSIU Bangalore.
That's great. And girls have done better than boys.
Yes, but then I guess that's almost always the trends in the boards. And this time even the topper is a girl, right? 496.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking to us, Shri Gurupriya. And she says that, you know, she has already given an entrance exam for the law entrance and she's going to go to the National Law University in Bangalore. So her future plan is really chalked out. She doesn't have to worry about this. But she does say that she was expecting really more than 96%.